I think a lot of people will like this next one because you can cheat. So this challenge is called Visual Networking Finger, and I think there's a bug here because when you ask for the hint, you get the firewall hint, and then for the firewall hint, you get the hint for this one. Doesn't really matter because these are very easy challenges, even if you don't cheat, but if I remember correctly, you can cheat in the next one as well. You can certainly cheat in this one because I just looked at my notes. So we need to talk to Jared about this challenge. And he's going to tell us about himself, just like the other characters in the story. And again, don't forget to click the gnomes. I think I have pretty much all of them except the last one. But I'll keep on clicking whenever I see one. And the hint, this one is again the firewall thinger. This terminal has built-in hints. By the way, a lot of terminals will just give you this as a hint. This one, I don't think it really has a hint, especially because you're not getting the right hint here, but it doesn't matter. So you can click on the, let me just close the YouTube Studio tab here. I just uploaded the previous video here. So you have this site here where there's very nice snowfall. Oh, by the way, it's the second year when I'm recording the video and we start to have like snow falling, and it's been snowing the entire evening. Probably it's going to snow the entire night as well, and it's just very nice to look outside. So I'm very much in a Christmassy mood, even though it's already January here. So this challenge, I will solve one before the last one to show you how to get the solution. And then before solving the last step, I'll show you how to cheat. So the idea is to learn a bit about common network protocols and how they work. So the first one here is how a DNS lookup is performed. You have a DNS request. Typically this is on port 53. And you need to select the domain name. So there's a URL here, some CNAME, and then a domain with a slash in it. I'm not really sure what that is. And then an actual domain. And then let me just check if this is large enough. Yeah, it's just small on my screen. And this is a forward lookup. So it's an A request type. And the response value to this is going to be some sort of IP address. And the type of the response is going to match the request type in this case. If you submit, then we unlock the next one where we need to complete the three-way handshake. This is pretty easy. I think everyone knows it by heart. So let's make sure that I'm messing it up. So synac, and then ACK at the very end, and that's it. Then sending a GET request. So we need to select the verb, or is it GET? Then we select the version. Now I'm not really sure what would be the incorrect answer here. These are all valid ones for the GET request. The host, and for the user agent, I couldn't be bothered to do anything, so I just clicked on send, and yay, success. Then the last one here, one before the last, is the TLS handshake. Okay, let's see if I know this by heart. So the client says client hello. The server says server hello, and also sends the certificate. And then we have the client key exchange, and then server change cipher specs, and then finished. And the last one is sending the GET request. So the solution for this one, but through HTTPS. So the solution for this one would be, again, the verb. Doesn't matter what you pick here, I think. And then just hitting send. Just double check if that's the last one here. So the user agent doesn't matter. Yeah, I don't think it actually matters what you set here. Well, I can solve the challenge like this, but I want to show you that when you cheat, you can actually also solve the challenge. So I am going to not submit this. We can do it afterwards. This is the correct answer here. Check it out. But I'm going to close the terminal. and open it up again because I want to show you. Let's see if I can do it here with the developer tools. Let's go sources. The JavaScript code. I want to show you the JavaScript code that actually operates on this site. Wonder if it's in the main one. Let's give it a try. And there is an autocomplete current challenge. No, maybe this one. Should be in the main one. Yeah, there we go. So there is autocomplete current challenge. Not really sure why it was not matching this one. And you can see that we have under this function the conditional statements checking if you properly completed the previous step. But the actual validation logic is just going to be old. Before that, I'm just trying a bit of a blank here, but yeah, I think I'm correct. Yeah, so this is autocomplete the challenge. Yeah, so we just setting the current challenge to completed, and this is called here in the event listener, so just checking if we have the right conditions here. But I can just directly call this at the console. So currently I don't have any of the challenges solved. So watch what happens when I just invoke this command. Success. 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 And success. And challenge completion recorded successfully. So victory. And I do have the challenge completed, and Jared is congratulating me. So this is the alternative way of solving this challenge, by cheating. This is probably the fastest way of doing it. If you are looking at the challenge with something like burp, you will find it. And there's always typically an intended and a more like unintended way of solving these easier challenges. Sometimes there is a built-in mechanism that you need to exploit, and that's the explicit goal of the challenge. In this case, I think it was really just for learning, but I kind of suspect that they made it exploitable so that people who are already very familiar with these concepts can have some fun. And if I remember correctly, in the next one, you can do the same thing. So come and check it out how I cheated in that one too.